Hey, and welcome back to the channel. My name is Jeremy with Elevate Clients Inc., and we work with commercial cleaning companies worldwide at this point. And I can tell you that one of the most effective ways in generating leads and getting more clients is by optimizing your website for SEO. If you're not optimizing your website and your online presence for local searches, you're missing out on a ton of potential customers. So in this video, I'm gonna walk through everything you need to know when it comes to getting your SEO right for your commercial cleaning company. Yeah, so first things first is your keywords. So if we're targeting commercial cleaning, we generally know the keywords we should be trying to rank for, but the first thing you should do is just head over to Google Keyword Planner to help you find some of the best local keywords, right? So if we go over to Google Keyword Planner, this is inside your Google Ads account, so you're going to need to have, Google Ads account. Yeah, so we're going to want to click Discover New Keywords. Let's just type in commercial cleaning. And let's just pick a location just to make it, just go with Houston. So now we have some more localized results. So yeah, so we can see some of the keywords here, just commercial cleaning services, office cleaning, commercial cleaning services near me, office cleaning, commercial cleaning companies near me, and this term would probably be more for residential. But we can use tools like Google Keyword Planner to find the keywords we should be ranking for. Let's also get in janitorial company there. It says about 90 searches. So generally for commercial cleaning, we know that our main keyword is going to be commercial cleaning, and then we're going to have other keywords such as office cleaning, janitorial cleaning, maybe facility, maybe medical office cleaning, etc. Yeah, so once you have the right keywords that you're targeting, you're gonna want to make sure that your homepage is optimized for those keywords. So like this company, for example, Star Building Online, they're optimizing for Houston janitorial services, as well as, commercial cleaning and commercial maintenance. And then this other Houston company, as you see, they're targeting for commercial cleaning in Houston. And then lower on their website, see commercial and office cleaning services. And then they'll also have other keywords, as you see, going down, janitorial services in Houston, commercial carpet cleaning Houston, etc. So when you have your website like this, you're telling Google exactly what you offer and where you offer. So also when it comes to your website, you want to make sure that it's optimized when it comes to page speed, as well as being optimized for mobile traffic, because a lot of the traffic that's coming to your website are going to be people searching for services on their phone. So if your website isn't optimized for that, they're going to come to your website and then leave and then go find somebody else for the services. Okay, so another very important thing is getting your Google business profile perfectly set up and optimized for your keywords, right? So when I go over to Google Business, or when I go over to Google and search for commercial cleaning Houston, these are the companies that pop up. As we see here, this company has commercial cleaning and office cleaning in the title of their business. So does this one. This one has cleaning systems. But one tip is, if you can, you don't want to change your Google business profile to something that's not true. But if you're just starting out and you want to optimize for SEO, having commercial cleaning or office cleaning in your name is very important, because then that'll help with ranking your Google business profile. And then another thing I want to touch on here is you really need to get reviews. We'll touch on this later, but you need to get reviews on your Google business profile to be able to rank. Okay, so the next thing is creating service-specific and location-specific pages. So for each service you offer, like office cleaning or medical facility cleaning, dedicate a page that explains exactly that. So the same goes for location. If you service multiple cities or areas, make a separate page for each. So this not only helps with search engine rankings, but also ensures that your potential clients can find exactly what they need, right? So if we go back to one of the examples, we see that their website's all about Houston, but then they also have specific pages that target the services that they offer within Houston, right? So then each one of these pages has the opportunity to rank, instead of just commercial cleaning being the only thing that can rank. And if we go over to another example, same thing. They don't have as many. They probably should have way more. But you see, they have 4 specific service pages for their on their website, and then they have a couple of industries that they target as well. Okay, so the next thing you want to do is start building out citations and backlinks, right? So if you've heard about SEO before, you've probably heard about the 2. And a key thing to remember and keep in mind is to make sure that your name, address, and phone number are consistent across all the backlinks and citations that are built. So if your name, address, and phone number are inconsistent, it can confuse the search engines, which might hurt your ranking. So just be sure to keep it updated, right? So a couple easy backlinks that you can build, and you can download this list below. Google Business Profile, obviously, Yelp, Bing, the Better Business Bureau, Angie's List, Thumbtack, Home Advisor, U.S. Chamber of Commerce, Yellow Pages, etc. Right? These are just easy backlinks that you can build so that you can start showing Google and the search engines that you're a real business. Here you are. Here's the same address. Here's the same name. Here's the same phone number all across the internet. All right, and the last thing I want to touch on in this video, and I touched on it before, is reviews. So reviews are one of the strongest signals for local SEO. And when you go search up a new restaurant or you're searching up a service, you look at which companies have the most reviews. So make it a habit to ask satisfied clients to leave reviews and make it easy for them to do so. And the more reviews you get, the higher you'll rank in Google's local pack, which will bring in more leads. Plus, positive reviews just helps build trust with potential clients. And to wrap it all up, that's the foundation of local SEO for commercial cleaning businesses. So by optimizing your keywords, targeting your homepage, ensuring your website is fast, mobile friendly, and well structured, and that's the foundation of local SEO for commercial cleaning businesses. So you need to optimize for the right keywords, target those keywords on your homepage. You need to ensure your website is fast and mobile friendly. You need to create service and location specific pages. And when you build backlinks, you need to make sure that your name, address, and phone number are consistent across the internet. If you do these things, you're setting up the foundation for long-term SEO success. And if you'd like my company to do all this for you and help you dominate your local market on the search engines, then schedule a call below, and I'll see you in the next video.